Hello students, today we will start K-maps with 3 variables. Earlier we discussed K-map with 2 variables. So today the topic is K-map with 3 variables. The first one is, this is sum of product table. The binary combination for 3 bits 0002 to 111 and their corresponding product terms. Right? In SOP format, 0 indicates variable complement, 1 indicate variable as it is. So next one is, corresponding to this table there are total 8 minterms M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7 and that is up to M7. So how these minterms are computed? I think it is clear with 2 variable also. For every combination 000, the 0 means variables complement A bar, B bar, C bar. For 001, A bar, B bar, C. For 010, that is A bar, B, C bar. 011, A bar, B, C. 100, A, B bar, C bar. 101 is A, B bar, C. 110 is A, B, C bar. 111 is A, B, C. So in this way we have a total 8 minterms for 3 variables A, B, C. For POS, product of sum, the concept is reverse. It is product of sum terms. So the sum terms will be again 0 to 7, total 8 sum terms. For sum terms the combinations are same, 00 to 111. Here 0 indicate variable and 1 indicate variables complement. So 000 means A plus B plus C, 001 A plus B plus C bar, 010 is A plus B bar plus C, 011 is A plus B bar plus C bar, 100 is A bar plus B plus C, 101 is A bar plus B plus C bar, 110 is A bar plus B bar plus C, and all ones A bar plus B bar plus C bar. So these are total 8 sum terms that occur when we have 3 variables. So max term is represented by M, capital M. So max terms are from 0 to 7. So this is the table for product of sum, means sum terms and product terms. Next we will start K-map with 3 variables. Students, you have to concentrate on this table because in this table we have 2-dimensional structure. At the row side we have MSB, that is most significant bit A. At the column side we have other bits BC. So A can have 0 or 1 and B can have B and C can have 4 combinations 00, 01, 10 and 11. Students, I think you all have observed here 00, then 01, after 01 it is not 10. Earlier if we count the binary numbers, these are 00, 01, 10 and 11. But in this table or in this diagram we have written here 00, 01, 11 and 10. The concept must be clear to you. This is the main point while drawing the K-map. Students, this 00, 01 and 11, these are grey codes. As grey code has not covered yet in your syllabus, in your class, that will be discussed later on. But here you can understand this topic with the help of distance concept. Let 00 bit is there. After 00, if you want to move or to convert 00 into 01, how many bits will need to be changed? See, 00 then 01 means only we need to change the right side bit, make it, we have to convert 00 into 01. We need to convert this right hand side bit 0 into 1, means with change of 1 bit we can make 00 into 01. Next is 01 to 11. How many bit distance is there? This is called unit distance. Unit distance means the code differ by 1 bit only. इन दोनों कोड्स में डिफरेंस कितना है? सिर्फ एक बिट का. 0111. Next 011 and 11, at this time left hand side bit will be changed to make 01 as same as the 11. So these two codes differ by 1 bit distance, that is unit distance code. Next one is 1110. 1110, here Again, if we have to change 1 1 into 1 0, we need to change only the right hand side bit, one mark, make it 1 to 0. So all these four combinations that we have written here are in such a way that every adjacent code is unit distance, differ by each other. So you can easily write it on a paper, make it in two dimension. It is in two dimension, we can convert it into three dimension. I will share the uh, practical demo of this page further. So 0 0, then 0 1, then 1 1, then 1 0. It will never be further 0 1, then 1 0. That will be wrong. Next one is, if you have still any doubt, I am considering one practical issue for this. See students, I am showing you practical concept. This is the page. I have written here in this we have 0 0, 0 1, 1 1 and 1 0. At the other end I have written 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Students, if we write in the same way 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1 as per the binary counting, now these two 0 1 and 1 0, these two code differ by 2 bits, because if we have to change this code into this format, 0 need to be changed into 1 and 1 need to be changed into 0. It means दोनों कोड में कितने बिट का डिफरेंस आएगा, 2 बिट्स का, राइट. अब यहाँ पर क्या है, 1 1. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस अरेंजमेंट इज रॉन्ग. सेकेंड कंसेप्ट, यहाँ पर आपका ये दो कोड्स डिफर करेंगे बाय 2 बिट्स. अगेन देर इज डिफरेंस ऑफ 1 बिट, there is difference of 1 bit, means at this place we are facing problem of unit distance. If the arrangement is like this, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, every adjacent column entry have unit distance difference. Here if we rotate this, or if we take it in 3D, I am rotating it in 3D. See, it was the last column 1 0 and 1 0 0 is first column. See, again both the column headers differ still by 1 bit, means 1 0 and 1 1. If we have to make 1 0 same as 0 0, we need to change 1, that is your left side bit 1 to be changed into 0. So these two last ended columns